So this is my beautiful model, Kelly.
Hey, Kelly.
Kelly is one of my favorite unicorns. Something I'm obsessed with behind the chair right now, and I'm calling them micro melting panels because I feel like that is the best description for what I'm doing. I take a 1/2 inch panel. I've practiced trying to do this with one hand. Didn't make it. So you can see in this whole panel, what I do is I lay down a mesh strip because it's a solid yet flexible surface for me to paint on. Then I use Color Tracker from our little detailing brushes, and I can really jaggedly melt all of the colors and really abstract shapes and patterns all the way through. It's a 1/2 inch section, but I take 1/8 inch slices. That way when I lay that next slice down, I can see and just paint right on top of it. It's super easy. And then when I'm done, I put another mesh strip over the top, and because it's so flexible, I flip it over and hit your model. I flip it over, and then I can...
Oh, no accidents today.
Help with Jesus.
No one fell, so.
Not yet.
And then I can flip off, I can peel off the back of the mesh strip, and I can see underneath if I missed any spots I need to resaturate. That way it's super clean, super vivid. One of the best ways to use this is with natural color, right? Like your blondes or any brunettes, because you get to be completely creative, use as many colors as you want. I use 7 colors in this panel, 5 on the rest of her head. And you get dimension, and it's just really professional looking, vivid color, you know? It's something your clients can't touch up at home. And yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you so much,
Thanks,
Rachel. It was
girl.
amazing.